Sabi niya dito, we tried everything. And for many, many years, many. Ibig sabihin, many. When you say many, at least what? Kung sinasabi niya nga, 6 years, 10 years, 10 years, 20 years. Okay, tuloy natin ang kasinungalingan ni Bangag. We tried everything, and for many years, the Saudi government really tried to look and to be sure that the judgment of hanging was actually deserved. Yun ang sinabi niya kanina. Tapos tawa pa siya, di ba? May isang presidenteng, well, what do you expect? Bangag nga eh. So walang empathy, walang pakiramdam sa pamilya o sa taong nag-ginurgor. Okay? Sabi niya dito, mga kababayan, my God, patawa-tapa, this has been going for many years. Sabi niya, I remember, 5 to 6 years na ito. Ipa-fact check natin siya ngayon na sinungaling ang Jutang Ginemis na bangag na ito. Okay? Sabi niya, I remember 5 to 6. O, di ba? I-analyze natin ang kanyang mga kasinungalingan. Sabi niya dito, and as I said, I guess Saudi tried to exhaust all possibilities. So did we. O ginawa na raw paraan ng Saudi government at sila din daw. Mamaya, isa-isay natin kung bakit sinungaling ito at hindi ginawa ng gobyernong ito at ng media na supposedly kampi ng taong bayan kung bakit walang alam ang mamamayang Pilipino, wala malang mga vigil, sabi ko walang public, walang international outcry kumpara nung si Sara Balabagan, ang kaibigan natin na na-interview natin, nung siya ay nagurgur niya ang kanyang amo dahil siya ay pinagsamantalahan, ginasa, tapos you know the story, nagawan pa ng pelikula yan. Grabe po ang international outcry o public outcry doon. Ang dami, iba't ibang mga lahi na nananawagan na palayain si Sara. Diba? Nawag na siya ay inosente, ipinagtanggol lang niya yung kanyang sarili, ganyan ang issue doon eh. Oh, sabi pa ni Bangag, our thoughts and prayers are with them. And sabi niya, there is nothing one can do to make it a whole, but we will do our best. Ano pa sabi niya? Sinabi pa ba siya dito? Okay, mga kababayan. So, tinignan ko sa Washington Post, Associated Press, October 8, 2024. Ito ang report. Sabi ng Associated Press, in Manila, Philippines, Saudi Arabia was put to death, a Filipino citizen convicted of murder despite years of effort by the Philippines. And now, sabi dito sa Associated Press, a Philippine official with knowledge of the case, however, said the Filipino was arrested by Saudi Arabian authorities in 2020 after being accused of the killing. Sabi ni Philippine Star, ang sabi ni Bangag mismo sa kanyang speech, ito ay nangyari na for many years, they tried their best daw. At nangyari daw 5 years to 6 years. Paano naging 5 years to 6 years? Or 6 years? Ang 2020. Pag-upo niya pa lang, 21, 22, 23, last year, nagkaroon ng judgment na siya ay igugurguri na. So, sinungaling si Bangag. Gusto niya lang ibintang kay Duterte yung mga kapalpakan ng Bangag na ito. The death penalty was handed down with finality last year. Okay? An execution was carried out on Saturday, sabi ng official.